Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. Today I'm sharing with you some card making ideas that I made using my dies from Made to Surprise by Calcott, and these are her brand spanking new Super Sliders collection. For my first card, I used the dies from the 6x6 Circle Super Slider die set. Because the dies are so girly in this collection, this particular set inspired me to make an easel card that represents a makeup compact. For my next card, I used the Made to Surprise 6x6 Square Super Slider die set. So the current trend in the UK is that paper crafters are not only making slider cards, but they're making them to appear as regular greeting cards. So this die set allows you to do just that. The next set of dies in my Made to Surprise by Calcott collection are the 5x7 Rectangle and Zigzag Super Slider die set. With this die set, I made a larger card. It is a shaker card that is also a slider card and a regular greeting card. And here's a quick and easy card making idea using some of the elements from the 5x7 Rectangle and Zigzag Super Slider die set. And last but not least, I made this slim greeting card using my Made to Surprise makeup die set. You'll find my affiliate links to all of these die sets in the description area right underneath this video. I have plenty more greeting cards to share with you, so click on that bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you once again real soon. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye now.